Church Cottage at Great Cheverell, in the centre of the village, just down from the church and close to the pub. As you can see, it's an old period house, approximately 200 years old. From this room, again, wonderful views over the rooftops, across the village, distant countryside, Devizes in the distance over there. On this floor there are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. Next bedroom, slightly larger than the first, same aspect, out to the northwest. Got some nice old timbers and rafters all exposed. I think one would want to lift all the carpets, look for old floorboards which could be sanded, stripped, refurbished. The garage is of modern breeze block construction with a clay pan tile roof. And then heading round into the garden, fuel store, and up steps onto the garden, which is principally lawn.